Hi everyone, let us do a thought experiment. You are stuck with a group at your workplace or at your home, and you are trying to solve a problem where a decision has to be made and you have to choose from the options or you have to find a solution for the problem. How do you approach such situation within the organization when you are working in the group? So if you are working in India, there is a good possibility that in such scenario, your group will end up making a decision either on the basis of consensus, that means the highest number of people voting for an option will be the decision of the group, or the senior most member within your group, it can be your manager or leader of the group who will decide what will be the final decision. But is it the right way to make decision when you are working in the group? That is what is the biggest question. So one of the biggest policy that we have in group decision making is that we rely immensely on age, work experience, job role, seniority of the person. All these are absolutely wrong approach in making decision on behalf of the entire group. Rather than relying on all these things, what we should rely upon is the idea meritocracy. That means as a group, we should try to put best of the best idea on the table, and then we should have a detailed debate and discussion on each of the idea. It does not matter that which idea comes from whom. May be possible that a peon of your organization will give you a better idea than the leader of the organization. And this is what idea meritocracy is. This is what the true justice and democracy is in the decision making.